Okay, our final project, Mariah and I created together because we're never in the same place at the same time. So our vision is to have this outside the room that we teach in. We both teach in the same room. Not have a MacBook, but a Chromebook that's flipped. So all you will see is the screen sitting up here. And we have our directions here for the students. So you place your hand on the silver hand and hold. And then with your left hand, you touch and hold any of the magic buttons. So if I click Mariah right here, her favorite things.
Most of my favorite things include being outside. We like to go to parks, ride on the bike paths through town. We have a nice berry garden in our backyard, and we love to be in the pool. If we're inside, I enjoy being on my Cricut. That's one thing that I am learning to do this summer.
And then
The
mine.
reason I love technology is
So it'll have the all about me, our favorite things, and what we love about technology. And they can see our face and our family and things that we like to do. So